Hey, good morning. It is Monday Mortgage with Southern Classic and Guarantee Rate. Good morning, Todd.
Good morning.
Always like having Todd with me on the first thing Monday morning, get to talk about good things. And we're going to start off by talking about Ryan and Kimber having little LJ Saturday morning at 2:06 a.m.
Absolutely.
Nothing like getting started the first thing in the morning with having LJ. Been over to the hospital a couple times over the weekend. Had a lot of opportunity to hold that sweet little guy, and we're super blessed and excited that LJ is part of our life. He'll probably be running this company one day after Ryan and Jason steps down one day, right?
Absolutely.
But yeah, he is beautiful. We love him, and he's already got my heart. So thanks for all the thoughts and prayers while they're going through that. He's been cleared to go home today. Kimber should be cleared shortly, so they'll be going home. And Kimber's a little sore, but rightfully so.
I could only imagine.
So anyway, thanks again, guys. LJ is an absolute blessing, and we love that he's here with us now. So today we're going to go back to the basics.
Absolutely, yes, sir.
We're going to talk a little bit about when you're working with a buyer and they start having questions about loan charges and origination charges of what they can expect from not just guarantee rates perspective, but kind of across the board.
Across the board, yes, sir.
So why don't you tell them a little bit about what guarantee rate, and we'll kind of do a little comparison this morning and see why it's so good to do business with guarantee rate.
Absolutely, yes, sir. So in the process of closing a loan, there's, as you know, several numbers that make up the closing cost. Those are lender fees, processing and underwriting, attorney's fees, appraisal fees, and all that. One thing that you should check for your buyer and be on the lookout for is there are some lenders out there that will actually charge an origination charge of up to 1% on top of the lender fees. The lender fees themselves are strictly that, the fees that we are paid to process your loan, that being processing and underwriting. Our fees are $14.40, which includes a $150 application fee at the time of a contract to get that file into underwriting, which obviously is credited back to them at closing. So some lenders, they'll charge anywhere from $1,300 to $1,500, $1,600 for those same fees where we're at $14.40. And on top of that, you've got the 1%. So on a $300,000 loan amount, they're paying an additional $3,000 just to process that loan.
That's a lot of money.
For some people, it doesn't matter, but for the majority of us,
Right.
$3,000 is a nice little hit.
Well, what's interesting is that, this is the buyer's money.
Absolutely.
And so it's our job. I mean, we're negotiating on their best interest to help them get the home of their dreams, but also try to help them maintain a good budget in their cost factor.
Absolutely.
So make sure you guys, when you're looking at different lenders, you're looking at companies that are being very fair when it comes to the cost of what's built inside the loan. Now, some people say, oh, well, their interest rates are much higher. What do you got to say about that?
I will say this, we do not have the lowest rates. Anybody that tells you that, you need to report them because that's against the law. However, we do have very competitive rates. I had a former coworker call me on Friday, calling to check our rates because they were just getting killed. And there was quite a significant difference between our rates, quite a bit. We'll just leave it at that.
Right.
So
pretty reputable company too.
Absolutely.
So, and again, we're not here to bash or put down other companies.
Absolutely not.
Because of our relationship that we have with Southern Classic and Guarantee Rate, we're just here to tell you what they have. But $1,440, that's pretty good.
Absolutely.
And no 1%, nothing, zero, $1,440.
And on top of that, for VA loans, we don't charge anything. No application fee, no processing, no underwriting fees. Those fees are waived on all VA loans.
So for those that have served our country, what a great benefit. Congratulations. That's awesome. Thank you for your service, and keep that in mind as well. So when you're looking at your pre-HUD, your settlement statement, and you get on that page 801, you can look and see what all they're charging and get a good comparison on that.
Absolutely. Have your client ask for a loan summary up front when they're making an application or running numbers. That's something I send out to every client when I'm talking to them, just so that they can see in black and white what their numbers and how they shake out.
Right.
Just so that no one's surprised at the end of the day.
That's right. And of course, 3 days before closing, you got to get your
initial CD out and signed. Must be signed within 3 days of closing. We try to get those out 7 days prior.
Yeah, well in advance.
They always don't happen if we don't have title fees from the attorney. We can't. We have to have that to get that out.
Right. So there you have it, guys. They're here for you. They got their special telephone number specifically for our agent, 706-389-0691. Remember, it's Todd Everett, it's Brandy Silcox, Justin Robertson, Ben Waldrop. They also have a direct email, scr.grm@gmail.com. They're here for you. They were with us last week. Thanks for that. And down in Fayette County, last week was Noonan County.
Right.
Tomorrow, at Taco Mac in Peachtree City at 5:30, we're going to be back there again for another social event.
Looking forward to seeing y'all down there tomorrow evening.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys. Always appreciate you. Hope this always brings you great value and helps you with your business. And we certainly appreciate you and definitely appreciate being in business together. All right. Enjoy your week. Know we are. I'm going to go see LJ in a little bit. So y'all be good. Thanks again.
Have a great day.